How to change Shopify language. Hey guys, welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change Shopify store language. So let's get into it. First of all, you're going to open up your Shopify store and you will get right here. This is our main admin. So if you want to change the language of your store, if you want to create a store in French, maybe Italian, or maybe in any other language, you can actually do that. We can have a multi-language store on Shopify. For that, you will have to go to your settings. In your settings, you're gonna scroll down a little bit to languages right here. You can see we have languages. Click on languages here, and then we have expand your global reach. Meet your customers wherever they are in their language. So you're gonna click on add language. Here we can select from multiple languages. All the languages that are out there. So for instance, I want to actually create a store in Chinese too. So I'm gonna select Chinese here, click on add, and now your store will be available in Chinese too. So you will be able to see the language that you select here. Now we have a store in English and then we have Chinese. Click on publish, and that your store is published in that language. That language is available. Now we can add another one. We can add more than one languages, of course. So this time maybe I can go for French. So I'm gonna go to French here. Click on add and the language will be added. This is how we add language or change the language of our store on Shopify. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.